So we've got a very nice example of the Aston Martin Vantage in with us today. This is a brand new vehicle on a 74 plate. It's rather nice because we don't normally get many convertible ones in, so it's nice to see one of those for a change. So we've fitted in the latest generation BlackVue dash camera into this vehicle. I've done a slightly different install on this particular one due to the way the arrangement is up in the top binnacle area for the camera, but also because for obvious reasons it's a soft top. So we've installed the rear camera in a slightly different location to give the best possible sort of visibility, certainly when the roof is down, but also when the roof is up. Then if there is for parking security, if somebody is obviously walking around the vehicle at the back, then it should give clear visibility for that. So I'll just show you what we've done. So in terms of interior wise, fitted the main camera, which is here. Let me just jump inside to get a better view. So because of obviously the arrangements here of where the binnacle is and all the array of sensors and rear view mirror, we've sort of installed it in this particular area, so you've still got the vision across without this actually blocking the vision on the camera. But also from the driver's point of view, this particular gentleman's a tall gentleman, so when he's sat in there he's not actually going to see the camera, and then it literally just disappears right up into that binnacle area there. And then you've just got the camera situated there, and I'll just obviously show you from the outside, because you've got a double sweep as well for the wipers. So from the outside you can just see the camera there. I'll just move around so you can see from the perspective from the driver's side point of view. So obviously driver's seat wise you're not going to see anything, and then we've just got a little bit of cable which obviously then just goes up into the top there. And as for the rear camera, this particular one, we've just got this mounted. This is a fixed glass in these, so we're able to mount that on there without any issues, because on other vehicles this tends to be retractable, but on this one it's not. So we've just got the rear camera which is there. So in terms of obviously visibility, you've got clear visibility of what's obviously going on behind you, certainly when the roof is down, which is there. So if you have the latest generation Aston Martin Vantage, then we can install the latest BlackVue dash cameras in here. We can also do, if you don't have Apple CarPlay, we can also upgrade the vehicle for you with Apple CarPlay, and we do an array of speed camera detection systems so you can utilize the full power of this car. If you'd like any further information, please get in touch with TTW on 01159 599 995.